Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this 12-inch glueless bob from Luvme hair. This is what the lace is looking like. It did not come pre-plucked. I went ahead and plucked it off camera. Now I wanted to show you guys what the inside of the wig is looking like. It comes with a band in the middle for extra security, and it also comes with combs on each side, one in the middle, one down at the bottom. Now, since this is going to be glueless, I'm just going to go ahead and put foundation on the lace just to make sure that it all blends in with my skin when I go ahead and put it on. Now, me initially putting the wig on firsthand, the wig wasn't too big or too small. It actually fit really perfectly. So if you guys are big head friendly, then this wig will fit perfect on you. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Now once I go ahead and cut the lace off, I'm gonna go ahead and take some foaming mousse and put it on top of my hair and on the lace. I really feel like this helps, especially when I do glueless units. It helps like mold the lace and melt the lace into my skin, even though I'm not using any glue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the lace. And if you made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below and let me know what you guys think so far about the video. Are you guys gonna try this method? I feel like glueless wigs are coming to be popular. I don't know why, but yeah, after I go ahead and put the mousse down, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it down, or tie the front of my lace down, just to make sure that everything is nice and secure. And it also helps the lace melt into my skin as well. Now, I don't know if you guys could tell from the middle of my closure, but the lace closure is over bleached just a tad bit, or a little bit more to my liking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some black eyeshadow and put it in the part, just to make the part a little bit closer, because I feel as though the part was just a little bit too wide for me, and when I do put black eyeshadow on it, it kind of just makes the part just a tad bit smaller, and it makes it look a little bit more natural. So I'm just gonna take some hair polisher from the brand Olive Oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over my hair, because it just makes my hair nice and silky when I go ahead and flat iron it. And so in these next few clips, you guys are just gonna be seeing me flat iron my hair.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming.
Now in this clip, I'm just taking some edge control and just gelling the front of my wig back. Now I didn't want to do any baby hair, so I like gelling it back just a little bit just to give it a more natural effect. And then I just added a little bit more makeup on top just to see and make sure that it was going to blend. Now that is the end of my tutorial, you guys. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and see you guys in my next video.